Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about ultraviolet rays. But firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Dicky Purna Deansyah. My absent number is 4 and my partner is Fadilah Firliadi and Olivia Olga Abigail Purnomo. We are from Group 8. First, I will explain you about definition of UV rays, the electromagnetic spectrum, mechanism of UV rays, inventor figure, application, conclusion, and analysis by Leo Gray. The first is definition of ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays is invisible rays that are part of energy coming from the sun. But some animals can see ultraviolet rays such as birds and insects. Ultraviolet rays also can burn the skin and cause skin cancer. UV radiation is made up of three types of rays: ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, and ultraviolet C. And next is the electromagnetic spectrum. This is the picture of electromagnetic spectrum. According to this picture, UV rays is not penetrate Earth's atmosphere, and the approximate scale of wavelength is molecule. Ultraviolet rays falls in the range of the EM spectrum between visible light and X-rays. It has frequencies of about 10 to the power of 15 to 10 to the power of 16 Hz and a wavelength of about 400 nanometers or 4 times 10 to the power of minus 7 to 10 nanometers or 10 to the power of minus 8 meter. According to the US Navy's ultraviolet radiation guide, UV is generally divided into three subbands. The first is UVA. UVA is not absorbed by ozone. The wavelength of about 40 nanometers to 315 nanometers. The benefit effect of UVA is help in the production of vitamin D in the human's body. But the harmful effect is may darken the human skin color. Ultraviolet A comes from the sun to the earth, and then UVB. UVB is mostly absorbed by ozone. The wavelength of about 315 nanometers to 218 nanometers. The benefit effects of UVB is helps in the treatment of psoriasis. But the harmful effect is may cause sunburn on the skin. UVB comes from the sun to the ozone layer. And last is UVC. UVC is completely absorbed by ozone. The wavelength of about 200 18, 80 nanometers to 100 nanometers. The benefit effect is disinfection of drinking water and sterilization of apparatus. And the harmful effect is skin damage and skin cancer. UVC comes from the sun to the mesosphere. And the next is mechanism. The mechanism of UV rays on a UV water filter is the release photon that will be absorbed by DNA microorganism that is DNA damage so that the DNA replication process will be inhibited. In this situation, microorganisms will die slowly because they cannot regulate cell metabolism and cannot breathe. In the process of absorption of photon by DNA, the energy possessed by photon will result in the breaking of the hydrogen chain connecting the thymine and cytosine, which result in DNA damage. Next is inventor figure. Inventor figure of UV ray is John William Ritter. In 1801, he was experimenting with silver chloride, a chemical which turned black when exposed to sunlight. John Ritter then decided to place silver chloride in areas beyond the violet end of the spectrum, in a region where no sunlight was visible. To his amazement, he saw that the silver chloride displayed an intense reaction wave beyond the violet end of the spectrum, where no visible light could be seen. This new type of light, which Ritter called chemical rays, later became known as ultraviolet light or ultraviolet radiation. The word ultra means beyond. And next is application. UV rays can be used for some cancer treatment, lamps, tanning, chemistry, and photography. And I want to tell you about the working principle of UV water filter.
Before water enters the UV chamber for purification, it needs to be clarified. A sediment pre-filter, such as a 5-micron filter, ensures the water is clear enough for effective UV light disinfection. Next, an activated carbon filter improves the water's taste. Water then enters a stainless steel chamber which houses the purifying UV light inside a transparent quartz sleeve. Many systems feature a 365-day counter to notify you when it is time to replace the UV light.
This is the methods for avoiding the harmful effect of ultraviolet rays. The first is using the sunscreen product, and then wear clothing to cover your skin, and then wear sunglasses, and the last is give more protection for the children and the babies. And the last is conclusion. So the points are ultraviolet rays is a wave that came from the sun and belongs to electromagnetic wave. UV light is useful in many sectors such as analysis, medical, and others. Overuses of UV rays may cause severe damage to the skin or eyes. And this is the bibliograph. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.